Hey y'all, it's Melissa with Small Town Wreath Shop in Tylertown, Mississippi. Y'all, today we're going to do some yarn trees. I got the styrofoam cylinders from Hobby Lobby, and I got 3 different sizes. I got some chunky yarn. You can get that at Hobby Lobby also. And I've got my low temp hot glue gun I'm using with my little finger protectors that came from Dollar Tree. You'll want to use those. And you just glue a line with your Gorilla Glue, hot glue. That's what I use. And you just keep going around and around. And it adds up and it looks really good. And that's all I'm doing right here. You'll see me, and I pat it. Every once in a while I'll pat it, make sure it's stuck good with my hand, and just keep on gluing. It takes a good bit of glue though. The yarn actually has little flakes of silver tinsel like in it, but you can't see it really on the camera. I'm going to make this one, and I've decided I wanted to make a red one too. I was going to make a third one, but I decided I want to get some green yarn for that one. So I'm not doing it yet. And I also didn't think about what I wanted to put on the top. So you'll see I didn't put anything on the top. I want to get some ornaments, a star ornament, or even just a ball or something, or maybe a small pine cone and glue to the top. You can see our Amazon store link in the description below to see all of the products that we like to use. Glue and the video equipment and the glue gun, all that stuff. You see how it's coming together? It's looking really good. I enjoyed this project. Give us a like if you're enjoying the video. I surely would appreciate it. See, it's coming together. I kept having to, with that small glue gun, I have to keep adding glue in, because it's those skinny glue sticks for the low temp gun, and I keep adding glue. I've got my husband helping me. His name is Craig.
If this was a really good project, this would be a very good project, an easy project to have the little ones kind of help you.
Yes, the grandkids, or just some kids at a church or something.
She actually did break the top of that one. We don't even know how that broke, but we just took a piece of a stem off of one of our florals, and we glued it in the top, kind of shoved it in the styrofoam, glued it in the top, and then put some hot glue around to glue that little piece back on. As long as you're not too
as long as you're not rough with it and just trying to break it, it'll be fine. I'm just going to put these probably in my living room on my mantle or something.
Yeah, these were super cute.
I love them.
Yeah, they're very lightweight, very versatile. You can actually do these in you can buy these in bigger sizes.
Yeah.
You know, taller.
Yeah,
and you can really make some. Now, I mean, I would keep them inside. There's nothing wrong with, I mean, you could put them outside on the porch, but I know around here where we live,
mildew,
wind.
Oh,
you'd have to put something.
Wind.
You'd have to weight them down on the bottom, because they would blow all over the place, because they're really lightweight. But they actually do make some really, and you can use any color. You could do this in. I know we've got. It's Christmas, but you could do Mardi Gras color trees.
Yeah, that's true.
Coming up, and how much are those? They're very inexpensive.
I think for that styrofoam cone or whatever, it was $4 at the Hobby Lobby.
So we'll try to leave all the links
that
below.
One's a pretty good size. That's the reason it costs that much.
Yeah.
The others are a little smaller, and they were cheaper. I like using the Gorilla Glue because to me we live down here in the South and it gets so hot and
now right there,
humid.
Right there, you decided not to put something. She wants to put either a ball or a star or something with yarn, right? Or maybe not.
No, just I want to get like an ornament.
And glue on the top.
And glue on the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can put whatever you want on the top. Even if you had a little, like a mini tree topper.
Yes.
Like a very little tree topper that you
Yeah.
wanted to stick on that. As long as it's inside. Like I said, it's not going to, if you put something up there that's too heavy. I think of the angels and stuff in the treetop with the hole that could kind of, but a little small one, you know. Something small that you could actually.
These, I was very proud of these. I don't do crafts very often. I mostly make wreaths. But this was a craft night I decided on, and I'm proud I did.
Well, speaking of that, y'all definitely give us a thumbs up if you're getting any value out of our videos. We appreciate it a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That helps us grow tremendously. We really appreciate all of y'all doing that and helping us grow. We're getting better at doing these videos. The more we do them, the better we get.
Yeah.
If you haven't followed us, we do have Small Town Wreath Shop. Now our YouTube channel is with the Bickhams. We go live pretty regular on Facebook making our wreaths. So definitely, our links in the description. It'll get you to all our social media sites. So y'all check that out. But I'm telling you, you could do these in silver and gold, green. You could use tinsel.
Yeah.
If you wanted to do that, you could
that would look so good too.
You could use a little tinsel, and instead of the yarn. But I mean, the yarn's like no mess, no fuss, no mess.
Yeah.
Nothing. And that actually, believe it or not, that white yarn has a little silver.
Yeah, that's.
Little
I think I
pieces
told
in
them that before.
I would like to do some of these in a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
They have a larger cone than my largest one I bought. I might go back and get it and do a bigger one.
You know, you could get a bigger one and you could actually do some of these in ribbon.
Yeah, you could, yeah.
You know, not too big because, I mean, you only got so much ribbon to cover, but you could really use some like 4-inch ribbon and make some really cute some cute trees. You know, for any season. We got ribbon, y'all, here. We do sell our products. We sell our ribbon and our everything to make wreaths with. We do sell here at smalltownwreathshop.com. So check out the link in the description. And that's, I mean, look at it. And she had one more. And they are, I know it's from the above shot. You
can't tell, they're different sizes.
They're different heights. So she's got another one. She's going to be showing here shortly.
Yeah, I didn't have any green yarn. I need to find some to buy, and then I'm gonna make a green one.
But if you put them on a table, put them
have
up.
My little
see, now you can tell.
Look how cute they were.
They're little. One's a little taller, and she's got one more that's shorter than both of those that you would stick, you know, on a little table somewhere.
Yes.
You could absolutely put that in a, if you do the Christmas, now that's where we was looking at the yarn, the wrong colors, but we was trying to get the size.
Yeah.
But like if you do the Christmas scene, you know, what they call that? Not the nativity scene, but I mean if you do a whole Christmas village, you know, on top of something, a tabletop, or you could use those as trees. You could actually make some really cute Christmassy looking regular trees.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, so.
Well, thank y'all for watching. I've enjoyed it. Hope you did too.
We hope y'all give this a try. It's absolutely a fun project. Don't forget, please like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Hope y'all come back and hang out with us a little bit more. We're going to try to do as many videos as we can. And y'all keep letting us know if you'd like to see more of our content. We appreciate every one of y'all. Craig and Melissa with the Bickhams, y'all. Bye, everybody.
Thanks. Bye.